This awesome company here called Domisol. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, let's see. Let's start opening this up and see how this works. There's a nice little tab here for us to pull on. Ooh, that was nice and easy. Sometimes these are pretty hard to open. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. This looks fantastic. So there's a kind of a case looking thing here, and I guess this is for the button. And looks like there's two of these, which is great. One on each side for the Apple Watches. Look at that. Now, how to take this apart, I'm not sure. We'll fiddle around it. Take a look at the box if there's any instructions on the inside. I do not think there are, but let's see. This is an Apple.
Likey.